Greetings, human. Do you think you could pull a helicopter out of the sky? What if I told you you can? That would probably be a lie, and saying that would probably make me a liar.
Unless you're a genetically modified super soldier. Let's take this scene and see, using science and math, how strong this man is. Spoilers, he's stronger than you. So, to kick this off, we need to know how strong this helicopter is. Lucky for me, a few tries of Google, and now I know. This is an Airbus AS350, and is capable of 3,000 pounds of lift. That means this man just curled 3,000 pounds. For context, at the time of making this video, this man holds the record for world's heaviest curl. He can only curl 249 pounds. Oh, only 249 pounds. How much do I weigh? He could curl two of me. Anyway, that means no one alive could do it by a long shot. But let's assume you ate your spinach and drank your milk as a kid and now you're super strong. Would your finger bones be able to handle it? Human bone has a tensile strength of 150 MPa, which translates to over 21,755 pounds per square inch. So, bones are strong. Yeah. But could you build the muscle mass required to pull a helicopter out of the sky? But let's look at history. Is there anyone recorded to have lifted 3,000 pounds? Angus MacAskill. This man was recorded to have lifted an anchor weighing 2,800 pounds. That's not too far off from our 3,000 pounds. Sounds like a bit of time at the gym and he could pull a helicopter down. So, in conclusion, could you pull a helicopter out of the air? No. Could a human do it? Probably.